cat hair.
Tell us about your fun day of cleaning.
Finding cat hair everywhere.
God, it looks pretty.
What time is it? It's 9 o'clock at night. You guys having fun? Out in the
No.
pool?
Yeah, I'm having fun. She's having fun. Wait, take a
We're
video
gonna
of me jumping.
replace the light in the swimming pool.
Wait.
You want a picture or get out a video of you jumping in?
Yeah. Wait, I don't
Do
want
it.
to get,
Jump in.
I don't want to get out of the pool.
Do it.
Ready?
I'm ready. One of many videos of Stephanie. This is the first one of Stephanie jumping in at 9 o'clock at night.
Whoa, this thing got stuck. Okay. Then why would you take your panties out?
10 years later.
Fine.